This initiative, which is all about investing in America, is one piece of a grand strategy for us as a country to be able to get back the manufacturing jobs that we have lost over the past couple of decades. And this is something that I know Democrats and Republicans can agree on, is the importance of bringing back manufacturing in this country. So you have seen, as a result of the incentives that have been passed, some amazing announcements across the nation. For example, yesterday, the Vice President was in Dalton, Georgia, announcing a huge expansion of a solar panel factory to build the largest solar panel factory in the United States, in Georgia, not just in the United States, in the Western Hemisphere. You also heard her talk about the largest community solar investment. That was in Dalton, Georgia. In fact, you have seen the benefit Oklahoma has seen the benefit of some of these investments. You've got Canoo, an electric vehicle company manufacturer, coming to manufacture here. You've got One Rare Earths, or Rare Earths USA, coming to manufacture. Because in the past, so much of the processing of the critical minerals for batteries, for the electric vehicles, was done in Asia, largely in China. And we sat by and we allowed that to happen. No more. We are incentivizing bringing that back. We want all these products made in America, stamped made in America, used here and exported elsewhere. We want all that wind that the governor was talking about, all those turbines, we want them made in America. We want all the pieces, the supply chains, made in America. One of the key supply chains for the electric vehicle is the battery, right? Since these incentives have been announced, since this Made in America agenda was passed, 150 battery companies, our suppliers to batteries, have announced that they are opening up shop all across the nation. So it's happening. It's happening from Michigan to Oklahoma to Texas to California to Pennsylvania to Alaska to Maine. It is happening all across the country, and you're seeing massive investments pouring in. Creating jobs for American workers, churning out these products. It is very exciting. The tectonic plates are shifting. I can say this as the former governor of Michigan, when we saw so many of these manufacturing jobs go elsewhere. And I know, Gov, you may not have been governor at the time, but I know Oklahoma saw a lot of jobs leave to chase low wages in other countries. That is just not going to happen anymore. So when Tion, yes, when Tion and her fellow students graduate and start their careers, we know that they're going to be entering into an American economy that is stronger than ever before, and that means that you can get a good paying, good quality job you can raise a family on and take pride in and help your country lead the world here in Oklahoma and in every state and every pocket of the nation. So I want to thank OSU for giving these students a head start through this IAC. I want to thank you all again for having us today, and with that, it is my pleasure to hand the podium over to President Schrum.